Principal, Mrs. Teresita Caspilio, to the teachers, to the parents, and to my fellow graduating students, good evening. I may say that this day is a dream that every student hopes for. This is a victory for each and every one. The day where all awards will be given to those students who committed efforts in their studies. There's a mixed feeling of sadness and joy. Sadness because this is the time for us students to be apart and go separate ways. Joy because we achieved a very important step towards success. My fellow graduates, this isn't the ending. Rather, this is a new beginning for us to pursue our dreams. In a few months, we seniors will attend to a more difficult challenge. We'll be adjusting to a bigger environment. We'll be meeting different kinds of people, which will have different roles in our lives. In this short moment, our state of mind has been enriched, and we have become stronger by our own struggles in each day that passes by. We conquered those struggles in life with patience, hard work, versatility, and prayers. And now, let us take the lessons from the past as memories to guide and inspire us in pursuing the more difficult and complicated path of our lives. Let me take this opportunity to express my sincerest greetings to all the people who serve as a guide and light for me to reach this important step of my success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God. He never leave me along the way. Instead, He used some people as an instrument to guide me as I walk through the good path of my life. I would also like to thank Him for giving me the knowledge and ability that I use and I will use on my continuous journey in life. I want to thank my mama and papa for their unwavering support.
Malapit na ako.
Umasa po kayong susuklian ko ng karangalan at tagumpay ang inyong pagsisikap. To my one and only sister, to my nanay and tatay, to my tito and tita, who has always been very supportive to me. Thank you. You all serve as my inspiration. I would also like to extend my sincerest gratitude to all the teachers who helped me shape myself into the person I am today. They care for me and nurture me into a better person of our society. And at the same time, they conduct so much respect to me, which is truly an incredible and honorable thing. All the knowledge and the good deeds that you taught me will always be in my heart and in my mind, which is no one would ever replace. Of course, to my friends, to my classmates and schoolmates, to my Garnet family, who has been and who will always be the happiest part of my high school life. To my Opal family, Wonder Girls, Handsome Boys, Keep Up, to all the senior students, and to my dear best friends, you guys will always be a big part of my life. We've been through good times as well as depressing times for 4 years. We have shared many wonderful moments together during our high school days, and I will always cherish those moments. It always bothers me when I think of this time, the time of saying goodbye and being apart. But that's life. Again, this isn't the ending. Rather, it's a new beginning. I will surely miss all of you. Lastly, to my beloved school, Grand Apostolic Institute. This has been my second home for 10 years. And now I'm leaving. It will be very hard for me to adjust to a new environment. I hope and I wish that I can still visit this institute when I graduated in college. To my dear school, I know that our batch is one of your greatest achievements. Education is the greatest achievement that no one can steal. May these thoughts mark your minds. No one could ever steal the wisdom of a man who attended school and became successful. As we receive our diploma on this significant day, I'm hoping all of you, all of us, to return one day in our beloved school, carrying our own success. Let's try to be more progressive. Let's give more effort and time to our studies. And no matter how big or how heavy a problem is, let us not forget to ask for the guidance and thank our Almighty God. Let's not ruin our studies, because I know, and I think all of us here know, that there are a lot of people out there wishing for the kind of education that was given to us. Once again, good afternoon to all. Congratulations, good luck, and God bless.
Thank you, Patricia, and congratulations again.